So I've been making UGC style videos for brands, and people keep asking me the same thing. How are you making these so fast and they actually look real? So today I'm going to show you the exact method I use start to finish using just two tools, Claude and Seedance 2. No filming, no actors, no studio, just AI. And by the end of this video, you'll be able to make your own. Let's get into it. Before I get into it, if you're into this kind of content, AI tools, content creation hacks, stuff like that, do me a favor and hit subscribe. I'm posting these workflows every week. And honestly, this channel is growing because of people like you sharing it and sticking around. It really does help more than you'd think. So if you're finding this useful, that's the only thing I'll ask of you today. Okay, let's get into the actual method.
So the first thing I do is open up Claude and I use it to write the actual script for the video. I don't just say write me a UGC ad. I give it context. I tell it who the audience is, what the product or idea is, and what tone I want, like casual, first person, talking to a friend energy, not a polished ad voice. I literally prompt something like write me a 30-second UGC style script for product, first person, casual tone, like I'm reviewing it honestly. Include a hook in the first line. And what's nice is you can go back and forth, ask it to make the hook punchier or make it sound less scripted, more like a real reaction.
Once I've got a script I like, I break it down into shots. So like three or four key moments: hook shot, showing the product shot, a reaction shot, and a final shot. I actually ask Claude to help with this too. I'll say break this script into a short list with a short visual description for each line, and it'll give me a clean list I can just hand off to the video tool. This is where Seedance 2 comes in. I take each short description and turn it into a prompt describing the person, the setting, the action, the camera style. The key with UGC style output is you want it to look handheld and casual, not like a polished commercial. So in my prompts, I'll usually specify things like natural lighting, slide camera movement, phone style framing. That's what sells the real person film this feeling. I generate each clip separately, matching it to the shortlist from Claude, and then I just stitch them together in order. And once I've got my clips, I record the voiceover, either myself reading the Claude script or I'll use a voice tool if I want a different voice. Then it's just a basic edit. Trim the clips to match the pacing of the voiceover, add captions, and you're done. Honestly, the whole process, once you've done it a few times, takes maybe 30 to 40 minutes per video. Let me show you a couple examples of how this plays out. Example 1. Say the product is a skincare item. The Claude written hook was something like, I was today years old when I found out I've been doing my skincare routine wrong this whole time. Then Seedance generated a simple bathroom mirror shot, handheld feel, natural light.
Lotions in the ward. Let's the skin bear greatest. I'm no getter buddy skin scare.
And honestly, if I hadn't made it, I don't think you'd know it wasn't a real person. Example 2. Gym supplement slash pre-workout, same category, different angle. This time the hook was, nobody warned me pre-workout could actually feel like this. The shot list here was a bit different. Claude gave me a getting ready at the gym opening shot, a mid-workout energy shot, and a closing shot back at the car looking wrecked but happy. For Seedance, I leaned into gym environment prompts, treadmill in the background, gym mirrors a selfie angle, slight motion blur, and again it read as completely authentic UGC, the kind of clip that performs really well as an ad because it doesn't look like an ad.
Nobody warned me pre-workout could actually feel like this. Best workout I've had in a long time. I'm definitely using this again.
So that's really it. That's the whole method. Script with Claude, shortlist it, generate with Seedance 2, stitch it together, add your voiceover. It's not complicated. It's just knowing the right way to prompt each tool. And honestly, that comes with practice. The first few you make won't be perfect, and that's fine. Mine weren't either. But once you get the rhythm down, you can genuinely pump out a handful of these in an afternoon. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest product reviews and AI tool recommendations. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.